Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Adriana Buca, and I am bringing you the space weather report for the 3rd of January 2014. A sunspot twice the size of Earth has just appeared on the surface of the Sun. In fact, AR 944 is so large that it can be seen from the Earth with the naked eye. The sunspot, scientists say, has a beta-gamma magnetic field that harbors energy for strong eruptions. Forecasters estimate a 75% chance of M flares with a 30% chance of X flares. Luckily, the effect would not be devastating thanks to the fact that the sunspot is not currently facing Earth. Even so, a blast from AR 944 could produce radio blackouts and geomagnetic activity. Giving us the latest update on this solar activity is Report1, our space meteorologist.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are live from the Tudor Vianu Space Research Center in Bucharest, Romania. NASA scientists believe that 2014 will represent the peak of an 11-years-long solar cycle, a pinnacle characterized by intense solar activities and a large number of solar events.
Should we put our sunscreen on and take our sunglasses the next time we leave the house?
Actually, no. The sun's activity will not influence the temperatures or the amount of light in any significant way. However, we should stop trusting our mobile phones that much.
The solar maximum is characterized by intense solar activity and is caused by sunspots switching places. Solar events which are linked to the time frame are solar flares, sunspots, coronal mass ejections, coronal loops, and increased solar wind. For example, at this moment there are 6 to 8 sunspots on the sun's surface. Furthermore, instruments on board of NASA satellites have shown that the level of X-ray emissions has been increasing intensely in the last week, which may be a sign of an approaching solar storm. Moreover, on the 2nd of January, the value of the KP index has reached 5, which indicates a G1 minor geomagnetic storm. Fortunately, there are no values of 7 or more, which means that there were no major magnetic disturbances and that a severe geomagnetic storm is unlikely to hit Earth anytime soon. By analyzing this data, and the fact that the last solar storm was 2 days ago, we can say that the next solar storm will hit Earth within a week.
Thank you, Edward. Next, we are going to see how astronauts wash their hair in space. This was Adriana Buca bringing you the space weather report. See you after the break.